Hedy, I'm the big cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co with exhausted for doing nothing all day. Muppet bundle cundle. Must be draining being you. So today we're going to talk about really cool logos that are being used for advertising, and these are like global brands. They are incredibly intelligent. There's a method behind the madness that goes into this, and it's always through association and reinforcement. So let me go and show you a few so you understand where we're coming from. Let's get going. Here included. Okay, McDonald's. We're going to go McDonald's. Right, look at that. I'm loving it. If you even have the I'm loving it, you know it's McDonald's. If you just got the two arches with a red background, you know. If you look at to the top right, you're changing the yellow and the reddish orange. I think it's more reddish orange there. That is still depicted as McDonald's. They did it well. So look at now MyTab's logo. I'm going to show this, not for a shameless plug, but you're looking at how you can change a logo's background and design, but you keep the same theme. So as we're growing now, customers will see we do holiday themes, we do weddings, we do for wedding fundraisers, obviously for honeymoon registries. With Thanksgiving, we'll have different promotions. Look at it. The MyTab wording and the slogans always stay together. The pig stays together. That then becomes synonymous. So you're looking at the designs, what things came in common? You're looking at McDonald's, global giant. MyTab will be a future global giant. What's the common denominator? It's the silhouette image of the two arches and the pig. When you're working on a branding, and even something like, God, like the Jurassic Park image and logos when they came out with it, you could have the colour, any colour, pink, purple, green, blue, grey spots. But as long as it had the actual shape of that Tyrannosaurus Rex, I think it was, that was then denoted as Jurassic Park. The same thing comes down for, I don't know, like, say for example, Caesar's Palace in Vegas. It is synonymous with a certain kind of style, image, and a layout, which then develops, and that becomes memorable. My name's Hedy. I'm the big cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co with, oh, she's so tired, Muppet Bundle Cundle. Have a brilliant one.